out here at Stavis Bay again, and we had a little sausage making event. We've done about 160 pounds of sausage in several different kinds. We're just wrapping up some bratwurst now, and we'll get some other footage of the smokers going, and got some bacon in one smoker and pastrami in one. So, get the brat stuffed.
What kind of brats are these?
Traditional, sort of.
Sort of.
Good. Edible.
Are these the oysters?
No.
Oh, okay.
Oyster sausage is last.
Stan, are you expecting?
Yes. And also the sausage poker.
And the brats don't go in the smoker, so they don't need to go on a rack.
They don't need to be poked either, apparently.
Well, whatever rocks your boat there.
We got the smokehouse going, some Polish Wishka, 2 racks of andouille sausage going. This is one of Ron's newest smokehouses he put together here. Got that thing up and rolling pretty good. We're getting her up to temp.
What's she looking like inside, Stan?
Let's take a look inside. You can see we got a good smoke going.
Oh, it's warm too.
Yeah.
Those are actually cooking on the bottom too. Okay. Cool. So the smoker we built and did a video of seems to be working.
Working great.
Smoke generator.
I told you why I use a lot of pepper in all my recipes. I can't tell the difference between that Copenhagen and mouse turds.
And it's recorded.
Enjoy. Bon appetit.
We're at the old smoker, Ron's number 1. We've got some pastrami and bacon on smoke right now, doing an outstanding job.
Somebody inside the cabin this morning discovered that hot dogs and stuff have pig guts around them when she eats them.
Eyeballs and assholes. Needed to fix that.
All right, let's see what this does.
It was a calm, cold February day in Stavis Bay, Washington. And Ron and several of the usual suspects were busy mixing, grinding, and bagging the meat in casings or bags, and in some cases, a little smoking was required.
Oh my God.
Lucky for us, we just built a new smoker in time for this year's event.
So we've been grinding and stuffing here for a while. We had a breakdown on our stuffing tube, which took a few extra hours to come up with an alternative repair. So now we're going to start packing stuff here in a little bit. So stuff just coming out of the smoker.
3/4 the way out recently.
This weekend, we made brats, andouille, Polish, oyster, Italian, and breakfast sausage, with the latter going in bags instead of sausage casings.
Yeah, this goes a little quicker.
Yeah. How many bags do you have left over?
Left over?
We are now at the cabin. We are into the vacuum sealing stage of our sausage grind. We've already bagged up some andouille, some Polish Wishka, some oyster sausage, and now we're working our way into the brats.
Sausagefest 2020.
Hi, this is Ron. We're back at my backyard in Stavis Bay, Washington, and just wrapped up the sausage making. Did 160 pounds, did a bunch of andouille, a bunch of brats, some Polish, some sweet Italian, some breakfast sausage, and a bunch of burger, and a little more bacon. So it was a good weekend, got a good test on the new smoker. A few changes I'm going to make to it. I'm going to take out the metal racks that the pegs stick into and screw some 3/4 inch strips of oak down so the racks slide in and out easier, and probably do different of my fan placement. So, anyway, a lot of fun. Hope you enjoy watching this one. Thanks.